Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a chibi version of Piggy from Roblox. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and I think I'm going to change it a little bit. The face looks a little too squished right here, so I'm going to draw a little bit rounder. Alright, so I'm just going to draw in a circle, but just slightly squished. I know this part is definitely the hardest part, is to draw these kind of simple geometric shapes. Okay, so mine is a little bit wobbly. Alright, so let's just continue on. So right in the middle right here of this, just come down, draw another circle. This will be the snout area. And we can add in 2 little dots up here. Okay, so now let's draw in the eyes, and it's gotta be nice and big. So we'll come out at an angle. Let's draw one big circle. Come out on this side, so same thing here. And then right here, I'm just gonna add in a smaller circle inside. And let me shade this in real quick. Because it looks a little weird if it's just like 2 circles. But if we shade it in, then we can see the highlight, and it'll actually look like an eyeball. Alright, yeah, that's much better. Alright, and then now for the ears, so nice and wide. Right on the side right here, make a little point. Right in the middle of this eye, just go up, make another point. So from these 2 points right here, just one big curve all the way around. Okay, so right on the side, make a little point, middle of this eye, go up, make another point, and then again. Let's try to draw the same curve, or the same size curve as this one. Okay, so that's the head, and then now let's draw the body. So the body is really simple. It's gonna be nice and small. We'll just come down here, 2 curves like this first, and on this side, I'm just gonna give it a slight curve going out, And then I'm gonna close this off. You come in on both sides like this first. And then whatever space you have in the middle, just give it a little bit of a dip right here. So that it looks like it's flowing out. Alright, and then now for the arm. So it's gonna be really simple, and this one's gonna be holding the baseball bat right here. Let's come down. One little curve right here, that's gonna be the thumb. And then right here, this is gonna be the other finger. Just curve, just kind of close it off. And then the bat handle is gonna be in here. So we can just go out, make it nice and wide on the tip. Just round it out for the baseball bat. Alright, so yeah, nice and simple. And then now for this one, there's gonna be not much detail. So we just curve. And then for the thumb right here, we just hook it again. And then for the other fingers, just close up the space right here. Alright, so that is it for my chibi version of Piggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.